Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain you this trading strategy for QX broker. Okay, so I have developed actually the extension. So this is the extension. So this is called QX broker. I'll provide you this extension link in the end of the video. So first of all, let me explain you strategy how it works. So first thing first, whenever Chrome extension will be loaded like here or will be installed, so user will face interface like this. Okay, so actually there is time interval like 5 seconds. Okay, maybe I can explain it here first of all. So there would be time interval for 5 seconds. You can increase it or decrease it. So it means it will open the trade for the 5 seconds, and the trading sequence will be like this: two up trades, two down trades, and then again two up trades and two down trades. So it will open the trades in the same sequence and in the recursive manner. Okay, and investment strategy will start from $1 and it will follow the Martingale strategy. So it will, if it wins, it will invest again $1 because it will start from the beginning again. So this is the sequence actually. So it will open the first trade like this, and if this trade wins, it will start again from the same flow from the same step with a $1 investment. But if it gets a loss, it will again invest with double amount of this. Okay, so it will now invest $2, and if it again loss, it will invest $4. If it again loss, it will invest $8, and so on. So at any point, if trade wins, like suppose that if our trade wins at this point like $17, it will just save the profit and it will again start from the first step. So it means if our trade wins, it will invest $1 from the starting, like from here. And if at any point it start losing, it will again double invest of the last previous trade, and it will invest the trading. So when I will click on start trading button here, so you will see this how it's okay. So a trading board active, it invests $1 here. So you can see it win. Now it will again $1 invest. Okay, and now let's wait for it. So it again win. So it will again invest $1. Okay, but now it will be down. Okay, now let's see. But now this time it lost. So it will again start, but this time with $2 of the original investment. You can see the flow here. Okay, so now it's starting the original amount here. Okay, now you can see how it's working here. Now it's $2 trading up, and it in. So now it will again start from the $1. So you can see it's increasing the profit here. So if it wins, it will again start from the first dollar, from the first step with the first dollar. But if it lost, it will double the investment with $2 or with $4 or double the original amount on which it was traded. Okay, so now it will invest $4 because it was lost. So it will invest $4 and so on. So let's see $4 trade wins or loss. Okay, so it wins. Now it will start from the $1. Okay, so the flow is very simple. You can see how it's working. Okay, you can see easily here are the trades result. So it's working very well. So I will obviously explain you the strategy again in the document and in the flow as well. Okay, so it's still working. It lost. It will now invest $2, and now if $2 trade is in loss, it will again invest with $4. Okay, so now if $4 trade wins, it will start from $1, but if it gets a loss, it will start from $8. But it's been now it will start from $1 again. So you can see it's increasing the portfolio here, and this is the good strategy. So I will stop it right now because you understand the idea how it works. Now I will explain you how it works. Okay, so I have stopped the port. I will go to my maybe this file or this file, I think. So this is the extension file. So I can show you how it works. Okay. So first of all, whenever you will open the QX broker website, you need to open the specific stock. You can open any specific stock from here. You need to click over there. You need to click on extension, and you need to just input your time, and you need to click on start trading. Okay, and after that, what it will do, it will start investing your amounts. Okay, so you can try obviously on demo as well as on real account. So if I go to my here, flow. So after that, when you click on start button, it will follow this sequence. It will pick two up trades and then two down trades, and then again two up trades, then two down trades. And investment strategy will be like this. Okay, so up, up, down, and then down. And investment strategy amounts are as follows. Okay, so first will be first dollar. Then if trade wins, it will again start from first dollar, but if trade gets in loss, it will double the investment with $2, and if it gets in loss, it will again investment with $4, and so on. So it will double the investment, and it will double the investment if trade gets in loss. Okay, so if $4 trade gets in loss, it will invest the $8. If $8 gets in loss, it will invest the $17, and so on. So it will follow until this sequence. Okay, so when our trade will be at this amount investment, it will just start from again $1. Okay, so this is the $1, so it will again start from the $1. So when it will continue with $1 because it resets, it will start from $1, but on loss it will progress to the next amount in the sequence, and it will increase the amount with double of the investment. Okay, and if win after any loss, just reset to $1. So it means it will start from the beginning. So this is the flow. Okay, and if win, continue with $1. If lost first time, $2, and then again double up the investment of the original amount. So this is the strategy, and this is how it works. You can easily understand the flow, you can read the document, you can take the snapshot. This is called Martingale strategy, and this works with just 5 seconds for now because I have put 5 seconds there. But obviously you can click over here and you can change the seconds here. You can make it 10, 20, or anything here. Okay, and if you have any question, you can ask me. And this is the flow. User manually opens the QX broker. User activates the Chrome extension. User sets the desired time interval. User click on start to begin automation. Extension executes trading on the present pattern, and then investments amounts. And you can see the investments amounts are like this. So actually there's $1 from the starting. It will open with $1, and if it gets an profit, it will again from the $1. Otherwise it gets in loss, it will double up the original investment, and it will open the next trades in case of loss. Okay, so that's how it works. So this is the best strategy for the binary option trading, and if you want to follow this binary trading automation, you can just get this extension, and you can contact on my WhatsApp or on my email, and I will provide you this extension. Okay, and you will make awesome profits with this with help of this extension. And if you need any help, you can message me on WhatsApp or on my email, and you will get support from me, and I will obviously help you to set up this extension because this extension is paid, and you can get this for free trial or for the demo purpose, and then you can try for a few days, and if you like it, you can pay for it. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.